Google has issued an urgent warning to all Gmail users. And this time, it's not just another routine update or a simple reminder. The company is raising the alarm because the risks to your personal information have never been higher. Google is urging everyone to upgrade their account security now, before it's too late. This means taking immediate steps to protect your digital identity and the sensitive data stored in your account. This isn't a routine reminder. It's a direct response to a surge in sophisticated cyber attacks targeting everyday people, not just high-profile targets. Hackers are using new tactics that are harder to spot and even harder to stop. The old ways of protecting your account, like relying solely on passwords and SMS codes, are no longer enough. These outdated methods are simply too vulnerable to modern threats. Cybercriminals are now going after everyone, not just big companies or celebrities. If you use email, you're a target, no matter who you are or where you live. Recent data shows over 60% of email users have been targeted by some form of attack. That means the majority of people you know have already faced a threat, whether they realize it or not. These attacks are happening all over the world, every minute of every day. And the numbers are only increasing as hackers become more organized and better equipped. Methods like phishing and credential stuffing are designed to trick you into giving up access to your entire digital life. These scams can look incredibly convincing, making it easy to fall for them if you're not careful. Your Google account is the hub for your photos, documents, calendar, contacts, and even payment info. It's not just email, it's your digital life, all in one place. If someone gets into your Gmail, they can reset passwords for your bank, social media, and shopping accounts. The consequences can be devastating, both financially and emotionally. The damage can be massive, which is why Google is taking a strong public stance. They want every user to understand the seriousness of the threat and the urgent need to act. The message is clear: passwords are now a fundamental weakness. Even the strongest password can be compromised with the right tools or a clever scam. The traditional password and SMS code combo is too easy for attackers to bypass. Hackers can intercept codes or trick you into revealing them without you even realizing it. These methods can be stolen, guessed, or intercepted. Once a hacker has your credentials, they can access not just your email but your entire online presence. Google is urging users to move away from outdated practices and adopt a new, more secure standard. This includes using security keys, app-based authentication, and other advanced tools. Taking a few minutes to update your security settings now can save you from weeks or even months of stress and recovery if your account is compromised. The threat landscape has changed. Your defenses must change too. Staying ahead of cybercriminals means being proactive, not reactive. Don't wait until you're a victim. Take action now to protect your digital life and your peace of mind. The time to act is now. Secure your Gmail account today and stay one step ahead of the threats. Today's scams aren't the obvious, clumsy emails of the past. Attackers use AI to craft convincing, personalized phishing emails that mimic trusted brands and even reference your real-life details. Over 60% of US users have seen a spike in these scams, which are now automated and widespread. Hackers don't need to hack anymore. They just log in using stolen credentials from previous data breaches. If you reuse passwords, you're at risk, even if your password is complex. The real problem is the password itself. As long as it can be stolen, it's a liability. Breaches are inevitable, so the focus must shift. Instead of trying to invent the perfect password, we need a system where there's no password to steal. That's why Google is pushing for a passwordless future. The next step in security is eliminating passwords altogether. In today's digital world, keeping your online account safe is more important than ever. With cyber threats constantly evolving, traditional passwords are no longer enough to protect your sensitive information. Google's answer to these threats is passkeys, a revolutionary way to sign in without passwords. Passkeys are designed to make your online experience both safer and more convenient, eliminating the hassle of remembering complex passwords or worrying about them being stolen. Passkeys use your device, like your phone or computer, as your digital key. This means your device itself becomes the gateway to your account, using advanced technology to keep your information secure. You log in with your fingerprint, face, or device PIN, not a password. These methods are unique to you, making it much harder for anyone else to access your account. There's nothing to remember, nothing to type, and nothing for hackers to steal in a phishing attack. Passkeys take away the stress of forgotten passwords and the risk of weak ones. When you set up a passkey, two cryptographic keys are created. a public key stored by Google, and a private key that never leaves your device. This process happens automatically in the background, so you don't have to worry about managing these keys yourself. When you log in, your device signs a challenge with the private key, and Google verifies it with the public key. This ensures that only your device can access your account, adding an extra layer of protection. Because your private key never leaves your device, it can't be stolen, even if Google's servers are breached. Your most sensitive information stays safe, right where it belongs. Passkeys are inherently resistant to phishing and data breaches. Even if someone tries to trick you into giving up your credentials, there's nothing for them to steal. By switching to passkeys, you're not just making a stronger lock, you're changing the lock entirely. It's a whole new approach to digital security, designed for the modern world. This is the future of secure, simple logins. With passkeys, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing your account is protected by the latest in security technology. Passkeys are superior to passwords because they eliminate the concept of a shared secret. Instead of relying on something you have to remember and type in, passkeys use advanced cryptography to keep your information safe behind the scenes. With passwords, both you and the service know the secret, creating multiple points of failure. If anyone else gets access to that secret, your account is at risk. Hackers can steal passwords from you or from company servers. Data breaches and phishing attacks are all too common, and a single compromised password can lead to major consequences. Passkeys store the critical private key only on your device, never on the internet or Google servers. This means your sensitive information stays with you, and only you. Even if Google is breached, your account stays secure. Hackers can't access your passkey because it never leaves your device, so your digital life is protected from large-scale attacks. Passkeys are virtually immune to phishing. Your browser won't let you use a passkey on a fake site. This built-in safeguard means you're protected from one of the most common online threats. This built-in defense stops attackers cold. Even the most sophisticated scams can't trick your device into giving up your credentials. Passkeys also solve the problem of password fatigue. No more endless lists of passwords to update, remember, or reset. No more remembering dozens of complex passwords or reusing weak ones. Passkeys let you log in with a single tap or glance, making your digital life easier and more secure. Logging in is as easy as unlocking your phone. Whether it's your fingerprint, your face, or a simple PIN, you're in control and your data stays protected. The tech industry is moving to passkeys because they combine top-tier security with unmatched convenience. Companies and users alike are embracing this new standard for safer, simpler access. For once, the easiest option is also the safest. You don't have to choose between convenience and security anymore. The days of juggling passwords are ending. Passkeys are here to simplify your life and protect your accounts. Passkeys are the new standard. They're designed for everyone, making secure access available to all, regardless of technical skill. Upgrade now for both peace of mind and simplicity. With passkeys, you can finally enjoy a safer, smoother online experience. No passwords required. Passkeys are the biggest upgrade, but a layered approach is best. Not all services support passkeys yet, so strengthen your two-factor authentication, 2FA. Move away from SMS codes. They're vulnerable to interception and SIM swapping. Use an authenticator app or Google prompts for a more secure, convenient 2FA experience. Update your account recovery options with a current phone number and a secure, active recovery email. Make sure your recovery email is different from your main account and is well protected. Regularly review your account activity using Google's security checkup tool. Remove unfamiliar devices and unused third-party apps. Stay vigilant. Monitoring your account can help you spot threats early. Security is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Take these steps to build a strong, resilient defense. Google's new Gemini AI brings powerful features to Gmail, scanning your emails and Drive files to offer smart replies and summaries. This promises huge convenience. Imagine AI drafting responses or organizing your travel plans automatically, but it also raises privacy concerns. Your inbox contains sensitive personal information. A recent survey found 73% of users would consider switching to a privacy-focused service rather than give AI this level of access. Google says your data is processed securely and not used for ads or public AI training. Still, the core issue is trust. Are you comfortable with an AI having deep access to your digital life? If you enable these features, securing your account is more important than ever. Use passkeys and strong 2FA to ensure only you, and not an attacker, can access your data. Weigh the benefits of convenience against the risks to your privacy. The choice is yours, but make it an informed one. Masked email addresses are a smart way to protect your real Gmail from breaches and tracking. Create unique, disposable emails for every website or service you use. If a site is breached, only the masked address is exposed, not your main account. You can disable compromised addresses to stop spam and phishing. Masked emails also block advertisers and data brokers from building a profile on you. Each service only sees a unique address, making tracking much harder. Apple's Hide My Email and Google's upcoming Shielded Email make this easy. Using masked emails is a proactive step for privacy and security. Get in the habit of using a new masked address for every sign-up. It's a simple way to stay ahead of breaches and protect your identity. Google's push for passkeys is part of a global movement to eliminate passwords. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Apple have joined forces in the FIDO Alliance to create universal passkey standards. The goal makes secure passwordless login available everywhere. Microsoft already lets users remove passwords entirely, relying on biometrics and authenticator apps. Google is moving in the same direction, signaling the end of the password era. This shift ties your identity to your device and biometrics, not a secret you have to remember. It's much harder for attackers to steal a device and a fingerprint than a password. As more services adopt passkeys, online security will improve for everyone. The passwordless future is coming fast. Prepare now to stay ahead of the curve. Now it's time to act on what you've learned. Start by creating a passkey for your Google account. It's the single best step you can take. Go to your account settings and follow the instructions. It only takes minutes. Next, review your 2FA settings and switch to an authenticator app or Google prompts. Update your recovery info and remove old devices or apps you no longer use. Begin using masked emails for new signups to protect your main address. Stay alert to new security features and be cautious with your data, especially with AI tools. Security is a habit, not a one-time fix. By adopting these tools and habits, you're protecting more than just your Gmail. You're securing your entire digital identity. The tools are here, the steps are simple. Take action today for peace of mind tomorrow.